Welcome to Reno Secret online course. Congratulations for taking the first step of your renovation journey. So, what I will do is, for every lesson, I will stop so that you do not need to go through one entire session of lesson 1 to 11, and you can actually learn at your own pace. When you finish lesson 1, then you can go to lesson 2. Okay, and if you want to revise lesson 1 when you're already at lesson 11, you can actually click lesson 1 and do a revision on lesson 1. So this is how the online course will go. So total there's 11 lessons, and this renovation secret. So what I will do now is an introduction of this course. Okay, the 5W of renovation secret. So who is it for? What is it for? Who, what, where you can use it, when you can use it, and why you use it. Okay, so first W. Okay, the first W, who. Okay, is actually for people who are going to collect their key soon, going to do renovation soon, or for property investor who have multiple property that wherever they need to take in a new property, they need to renovate it, or people who already have property and they want to be able to rent at a higher price, or they want to sell their house so that they can sell it at a higher price. So you need a renovation. Okay. So, and you do not want to spend too much money on the renovation that you're going to sell the house eventually. Okay. So these are the people that is this course is targeted for. Okay. Is this is the who. What you will learn in renovation secrets. So if you go through the whole entire online course, you will know the A to Z of renovation process. Okay. After you know the A to Z of renovation process, you can cherry pick which one you want to do yourself, which one you want to actually sub it out. Okay. You will also know who to engage to do your renovation. You will know the contractor price for this renovation and where to look for subcontractors. Okay, where you will do this renovation. This is largely for Singapore context. You can do what kind of renovation? You can do renovation for residential. You can do industrial, commercial, for co-living, and also for landed property. Okay, these are the what, okay, and why you want to do renovation on your own. Okay, because you want to have control of the renovation process. Even if you want to sub it out to subcon or project manager to do your renovation, you want to know the actual timeline. You want to know what is going to happen after the next thing. What is the next thing that's going to happen? You do not want to be led by your project manager when you do not know anything. So by learning this renovation secret course, you will know the A to Z of the renovation process. Okay, so I've already covered all the who, what, where, when, why. So if you own a property, or you always do investment property, or you are doing renovation for other people's property as well, it is good to actually learn renovation secret. Okay, this is the program outline. Let's open up and see. This is the training outline. Okay, from lesson 1 all the way to lesson 11. Okay, Lesson 1, you will learn why invest in property. Lesson 2, you will learn how to monitorize your knowledge you learn from renovating secret online. Okay, and lesson 3, I will go straight to what is the 11 steps of renovation process. Okay, meaning the A to Z. And lesson 4, you will learn interior design and renovation website, where to find ideas, themes for your renovation projects. Okay, after you know the 3 and 4, you will start learning the skills that is required in renovation. One of the skills is actually to be able to use a software to do 2D drawing. Okay, after you have done the 2D drawing, you will use it to do a 3D perspective and also a 3D video of your property. Okay, of course, I will do a demonstration in this online course, and you will do the step by step on your own. Okay, after that, lesson 7, I will actually touch on live floor plan exercise. If you have a floor plan, okay, how you should actually plan, where to do, if you are doing co-living, where to cut the co-living, if you are having a unit of your own, which area do you want to actually target to renovate. Okay, maybe it's the kitchen, or maybe it's just the living room, or maybe it's just one of the bedroom. Okay, so this one is a live floor plan exercise. Subsequently, I will actually let you discover what is space metric, what is it used for, and what is a 3D metric. And also, when you combine both space and 3D metric, how you can actually use it to actually give the mastermind group what are the things to be done. Who are your mastermind group? They are all your subcontractors. Okay, and lesson 11, I will teach you the measurement and floor plan and legend. Okay, this is very important. When you get a floor plan, you need to know how you actually read it, or when you have a brochure that you buy a condo, you must know roughly how big is this unit by just looking at the brochure. So all these skills will be taught in lesson 11.